Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, compass, heated front seats, clock, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.